Wow.
Look at the goodness. I'm smoking a 6 of baby back ribs today. That's right. It's Papa. Right there in the smoker. Got the apple chips going. And I'm going to tell you about these. Here. Alright. Awful early in the morning. The first 3 are getting some Uncle Steve shake. The spicy R. Yeah, I think that's Maddie's favorite. My favorite's the Gator Shake. Her favorite's the spicy R. Yeah. So we're gonna. Oh, we gotta get it on there good. And then into the smoker. Yeah. Now, the next 3, the Root Boy Cooks number 2. Yeah. Very different spices on each one of these. It's not a challenge or a comparison because they're 2 completely different kind of rubs. If you would like to purchase either one of these rubs, their links are down below. Uncle Steve Shake. Yeah, that's my buddy. I don't have the shirt on. The Root Boy Cooks. They're both down there. Yeah. You can check them out, go talk to them, and you can get either one of these because they're both so awesome, but they're not alike. They're 2 different kinds of taste, but they're both enjoyable. It's smoking. It's smoking. Yeah. All right. Time to spritz it with some applesauce. It's not applesauce. Apple juice. Apple juice. Apple juice is in this sprayer. Here we go. I'm gonna show you. If you put this on your meat, oh my gosh. Ooh, baby. These are gonna be awesome. That smells so awesome. It's going good. So I'm gonna take me a nap. Be back in an hour. Yeah. Let's open it up and see what happens. Oh. It's running a lot hotter than I want. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see that? Those look awesome. Oh my gosh. I don't think the camera can catch that goodness. Oh my. My sleeping did well. I tell you what, we're gonna slap a little bit more of Papa Texas apple juice. Yes, I sell these. $99. I'll send you one. Yeah, in a bottle. Yeah, cost me like $2. Oh my goodness. I just had to go inside to change batteries out. And you know what? The awesome smell of Gigi's beans. I've got to share that recipe with y'all because that sucker is like, oh my. Here's Papa. Yeah. You eat her beans, you'll say, yeah. All right, so here we go. I mean, I'm not sure about this. I slept too long. Hey, mama, rock me. Well, here's my first 3. I think they look pretty good, you know? One of my girls, I'm dark in here, okay? You can't see this. This is that King's Hawaiian barbecue sauce smoked bacon. What we're gonna do, we pull this off and we're gonna pour it right there like that. And then we're gonna wrap it. Because we got 2 hours before we go to the meetup cook-up. Yeah. These are my girls. Right there. I'll keep them separated so we know what's what. Yeah. Okay, this one right here is the Spicy R Uncle Steve Shake. Yeah. With King's Hawaiian barbecue sauce smoked bacon. Have you ever seen that before?
Nope.
Maybe you're on one.
Alright, so.
Wow, good job. Thank you, baby.
You had to put a hat on.
That's a good one. Good habit to get into.
Oh my gosh. You might
There we
need
go.
some,
That was smart.
you might need some silverware with this one.
Now
You said you wanted wet.
Yes.
Got you some shade.
Is that on?
It's on, yeah. Y'all are all in it.
Oh.
You know what it was?
I know we're at a distance. Oh my gosh. I just tasted that. You might need to go get something. Get you something on there to go with.
Whoa, you're fast. You're so fast. I'm going to count. 1.
This one's for you for Mother's Day.
How do I do it?
Wait till you're on the
Completely
slide.
different than all the others.
Learned a
Oh,
valuable lesson.
just put that in your mouth, you know?
They tried to tell me about it, and I don't know where it is.
It's really good.
Is it?
It's really good, you
Oh, the
guys.
celebration part. Yeah.
Okay, everybody can breathe. The ribs
They're
are
right
good.
there.
2. 3.
Alright, we got 6 of them out here.
Yeah, that's
Got a
big
bunch of
one.
us out here.
And they have
And
try
this
it,
one's
Peanuts?
awesome.
Aubrey, come here.
Aubrey,
Yeah, that's over my
come try
house.
this. Aubrey, come here. Come here.
Let's see
Get
how
the
fast
camera.
you can do it this time.
Make sure she's in the camera.
Come here to your mommy.
I'm ready.
Maddie.
1,
Aubrey doesn't like barbecue.
I'll try it.
3.
Okay. Come here, Jojo.
Get you some of that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Y'all get some of that.
You did it!
It's a rib on a fork. Eat it and like it. Is it good?
Y'all eat
Natty,
it. Tell me what you think.
Natty, come on.
1,
We're just picking at it.
Go for it.
1, 2, 3.
Turn around and eat it.
You did it!
Good?
Delicious.
Yeah.
Did you try it?
This time you have to count.
Thanks, Papa.
Thank you.
You gonna count?
Awesome. Awesome.
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, you get up
Happy Mother's Day.
You get up there and we'll count together.
Anybody else want to get in here and say Happy Mother's Day?
Chad, come on.
Oh, Chad. Try some of that, Chad.
What is that, Aubrey? Here, we've all shared this fork.
She wanted wet. I made one wet.
Sometimes it's better wet.
What do you think?
That's really
It's
good.
good. Supposed to be
Supposed to be water inside?
Maddie?
Really? It's supposed to turn into a marker with chalk powder. Is
try
there
it?
water in yet?
Some of the skin.
Did you
Perfect
mix it
for
yet?
Mother's Day.
Yeah.
I think it needs more water.
Hey, Maddie. Want to say, yeah. What are you supposed to say? Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.